and refile it?
No, I'm not. No, I'm not going to dismiss it. I will file another case in circuit.
That's not something that's really justiciable in district court.
A hopeful girl excitedly prepares for her long-awaited first date, eagerly anticipating the possibility of a connection. But what unfolds next is a shocking turn of events that no one saw coming. In a courtroom charged with tension and anticipation, Kashante Hosamla Short Brundage takes the stand, her voice unwavering as she accuses Richard Jordan of a crime that goes far beyond a mere bad date. As the details unfold, revealing a web of deceit, manipulation, and shattered expectations, it becomes clear that this case holds more than meets the eye. Bad dates can happen. There are awful times in life. However, if you've ever had a poor date amid a terrible period in your life, you may relate to the intense anger and feeling that nothing is fair or right. When Kashante Hosamla Short Brundage's mother died away, it was undoubtedly the hardest period of her life. She was frightened and raw, but hoped that after setting up a meeting with Richard Jordan, she would be able to find comfort. Mr. Jordan felt it would be better not to appear for reasons that are never completely explained, but may have something to do with Ms. Short's history of frivolous litigation and explosive temper. The night of Ms. Short's mother's birthday, whose mother she had just lately lost, was chosen for that particular occasion. Kashante Short determined she would make Mr. Jordan pay for standing her up on the birthday of her recently departed mother. She filed a lawsuit against him for $10,000.
Answer.
If he responds and his response is a lie, it's perjury, then my documents will prove that he lied in his response.
No.
The complaint, which was first filed in 2020, just appeared before District Judge Herman Maribold Jr., who was unable to assist Short, which enraged her. The court's role is to determine whether something is legally someone's obligation, and if so, what may be done to remedy the issue, rather than necessarily deciding what is right or wrong. Some courts deal with criminal cases, while others deal with family disputes, minor financial matters, etc. She filed her claim in district court, but emotional distress is handled by a different court. Judge Marable, during a Zoom hearing with Ms. Short and Mr. Jordan, tells Short that her claim of emotional distress is
That's not something that's really justiciable in district court.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
I said that's not something that's justiciable in district court. That has to be brought in circuit court.
The judge asks Mr. Jordan whether he intends to defend himself in whatever court this ends up in, trying to get a sense of the issue. Jordan's response is to tell his side of the story briefly.
To be honest with you, sir, I thought this was just going to be thrown out. We had a date, one date, and nothing else after that. And now I'm being sued for $10,000. I don't see how this is going to go any further. I think it's a waste of your time.
Bottom line is, you said it's a criminal offense, so I will send it to circuit court. Are we done here?
No, you don't understand, ma'am. You don't understand.
Are we done here? Are we done here?
Perjury is
what perjury means. I know exactly what perjury means. I know.
The judge keeps trying, Kashante keeps yelling, and Richard keeps on just sitting in silence watching this all go down.
No further proceedings shall be had after transfer until these costs or expenses are paid. If not paid within 56 days of the date of this order, this case shall be dismissed by the court to which it was transferred.